Bitch ass sun beating down on me. Gonna go cool off. Haha, look at this stupid hippo giving me a ride.
This gives you power over me?
Get the fuck out of my water, gangsta wannabe. That's right, I'm king shit. Alpha dog. Hasta never bala ow!
Really? For now?
Now you're fucked.
Follow him.
Hey. Hey, I was here the whole fucking time. Boom.
You could have slowed him fast. Many have died trying.
Get to stepping.
Oh, hell, I didn't know. You're gonna be like that.
They expect one of us in the wreckage, brother.
Yeah, eat up, boys. We eating like kings. No one fucks with us.
What the fuck is he saying?
Do you feel in charge? Speak of the devil, and he shall appear.
We don't want no beef. We don't want no beef, bro. We cool.
So easy.
Fucking hippo. We crip blood. Fuck around. No, fuck this shit.
Hey,
I don't listen to no fucking hippo.
hey, guy. Where you going?
I'll do my crip walk back in my palm.
He told you to leave. Hey.
That's right. King of the fucking jungle. Right here.
I'm just gonna sit here. I'm just gonna sit here and watch. Fuck. Fuck. Hey, guys. Guys. I think Crocodile came back. Guys.
Silently streaming on the rocket's red glow, the bombs bursting in air gave proof
That's a lovely, lovely voice.
that our flag was still there. Oh, see does that star-spangled banner.
I told y'all stay in my waters.